Hey guys, so today we are going to make a very special card for some people who really are very special, and those special people are none other than our doctors. So today we are going to make a very special Doctor's Day pop-up card for our doctors. So let's get started. So for this we'll need writing pad, a cutter, ruler, scissors, a matchbox, a Fevicol, spring, black sketch pen, some glitter pens, red and white paper. So whoever are watching this, I will recommend them to use a writing pad or clipboard to make the box so that the table mat or wherever you are making it does not get spoiled. So here I am taking a matchbox whose inner part I have already colored red. Instead of red, you can also take some other color as white or blue or green. Now we will keep this aside, and I am taking this white strip which I have already cut to the dimension of this box. We'll cover it with the white strip. So I am covering it. As you can see, I am first taking the length, how much I need it. Whatever the dimensions are of your box, you can take those same dimensions. Now I am checking it again. So here I am pasting it. Now the front part. In the front part, you have to take a ruler, and what you have to do is make a line here like this. You need to make a big line like the doctor's suit. That is also a quite. It has a deep cut, so I am also taking a big line, and we are just going to cut it through this line. Okay. And yes, guys, before pasting this part here, I would like to tell you that we need to paste a red paper here so that this back part is not visible. So I have pasted this red paper, and I have also get this cut. So now is the important part, that is we need to fold this like this. So you can see the way I have folded this. So here I am pasting it. So this should look like this, and this part should be open. Yeah. Now I have pasted this whole paper on this box. Now for the collar we'll just give here a cut like this, both the sides. You can see I have given the cut. Now the main part comes. So now we'll make a stethoscope design here and this side. So I'm drawing the stethoscope design here. And for the buttons, I am making two dots here and giving a slight line here for the coat. So the red part now we are taking because the front part is ready, as you can see. Now we'll take the string and we have to fix it here with the Fevikwik like this. You can see it. So here I am pasting it. I would like to tell you that while using Fevikwik you have to be very careful because it sticks to your skin and it might not get removed very easily. And if you are below the age of 9 or 10, you need to take the help from some elder. You need to hold it for a while till it gets stuck. So I guess it's got stuck. So now I am taking this piece of heart. I have already cut it. You can cut it like this, and I am sticking it here. This also you need to stick it with Fevikwik because we are using a steel. So now you can see it has got stuck properly. Now I have taken this sheet of paper and I have written thank you for your love and care. This I am going to paste it here at the back like this. So as you can see I have stick it here. Now what we'll do is we'll just push it back like this and we'll just okay. Now what we are going to do and is that we'll make a plus here. For this is for doctors, right? I'm making a plus sign here. So our doctor's pop card is ready. I dedicate this card to my Dr. Nana, Dr. Nani and Dr. Sonia auntie. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.